Here's how RouteBoss helps your techs fix problems instantly. If a tech is on site and sees something wrong, like green tint and chlorine at 0, for example, they can type it into the AI assistant, hit get help, and RouteBoss analyzes the symptoms and gives them the likely cause, like an early stage algae bloom, and then it walks them through the exact steps to fix it. How much shock to add, brushing instructions, pump runtime, backwashing, everything, even safety notes. They can also tap quick questions for the most common issues: cloudy water, salt cell problems, high phosphates, perfect for new hires. And when the techs log chemical readings, RouteBoss automatically calculates the correct dosages based on the pool size. For example, you can see that here. This means fewer callbacks, faster fixes, and smarter techs from day one. If you want to see how this works for your team, visit therouteboss.com.